पीबी शैली बिलोंग टू द सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ रोमांटिक पोइट्स। आज इस वीडियो में हम पीबी शैली से रिलेटेड 125 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जो किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए काफी बेनिफिशियल रहेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज के वीडियो। Whom did Shelley call the sister of my soul and my second self? शैली ने किसको सिस्टर ऑफ माई सोल एंड माई सेकेंड सेल्फ बोला है? शैली की 4 सिस्टर्स थी, तो उनमें से जो सबसे छोटी सिस्टर थी इनकी एलिजाबेथ, उनको ये बोलते हैं सिस्टर ऑफ माई सोल एंड माई सेकेंड सेल्फ। व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द फ्रेज कॉर्कोडियम रिटन ऑन द ग्रेव ऑफ शैली? शैली के ग्रेव पर ये जो वर्ड इंस्क्राइब्ड है कॉर्कोडियम, इसका मीन क्या है? इसका मीन होता है हार्ट ऑफ हार्ट्स। What was the first novel of P.B. Shelley? P.B. Shelley का फर्स्ट नोवेल था जस्टोसी, and Jastrosi is the first published prose work of P.B. Shelley and he wrote it at the age of 17. 17 की एज पे इन्होंने ये लिखा था when he was in college, and P.B. Shelley का ये जो वर्क है it was published with the initials only. ये केवल इनिशियल्स के साथ पब्लिश हुआ था, विद कंप्लीट नेम इनका मेंशन नहीं था। फर्स्ट पब्लिश। व्हाट इज द वॉन्डरिंग ज्यू? वॉन्डरिंग ज्यू जो है दैट्स अ वर्स मोनोड्रामा ऑफ पीबी शैली। ये पीबी शैली का वर्स मोनोड्रामा है एंड इट हैज बीन रिटन इन 4 कैंटोस। 4 कैंटोस में लिखा गया है इसे इन 1810 में इसे लिखा था पीबी शैली ने। और लेकिन भले ही ये 1810 में लिखा गया था, बट इसका पब्लिकेशन हुआ काफी टाइम बाद 1877 में जाके ये पब्लिश हुआ था। Which book of P.B. Shelley is based on Godwin's political justice? It's Queen Mab. Queen Mab जो है ये इन्होंने 9 कैंटोस में लिखी है। It is a book in 9 cantos. Queen Mab is a philosophical poem of P.B. Shelley. Which lyrical drama of P.B. Shelley was produced in 1821 and published in 1822? It is Hellas. What is the other title of Alastor? Alastor का जो दूसरा टाइटल है वो है The Spirit of Solitude. Alastor is a poem of P.B. Shelley and it contains 270 lines. Which pastoral elegy did Shelley write on the death of John Keats? जॉन कीट्स की डेथ पर शैली ने एक पेस्टरल इलेजी लिखी है जिसका कि टाइटल है एडोनिस। एडोनिस में टोटल 495 लाइन्स हैं और टोटल इसमें 55 स्पेंसिडिन स्टेंजास हैं। What was one of the unusual ways Shelley released his work? शैली अपनी पोएम्स को कैसे रिलीज किया करते थे? What was the unusual way? तो वो क्या करते थे, वो अपनी जो पोएम्स होती थी उनको एक बलून में डालकर रिलीज करते थे। रिलीज इनसाइड ऑफ बलून्स। Which poem of Shelley presents Platonic love? Platonic love कौन सी पोएम है उनकी जो जिसमें पोर्ट्रेट किया गया है? तो इनकी ये पोएम है एपिसाइकिडियन। एपिसाइकिडियन ये जो पोएम है इसका सब टाइटल है वर्सेस एड्रेस्ड टू द नोबल एंड अनफॉर्चुनेट लेडी एमिलिया फिफ्थ। This poem has been dedicated to a teenage daughter of the governor of Pisa, क्योंकि शैली ने अपना काफी टाइम पीसा में भी बिताया था, तो वहां के जो गवर्नर थे उनकी बेटी थी एमिलिया, ये उसको डेडिकेटेड है। For which magazine did P.B. Shelley write articles? P.B. Shelley किस मैगजीन के लिए आर्टिकल्स लिखा करते थे? He wrote articles for the Examiner. Which poem did P.B. Shelley write when he heard about Peterloo massacre? He wrote this poem, The Mask of Anarchy, after Peterloo massacre took place. Which nickname did Shelley's frequent bouts of anger earn him? शैली जो थे ये बहुत ज्यादा एक गरम दिमाग के पोइट कह सकते हैं। इनको गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता था, तो इस वजह से इनको लोग मैड शैली बोला करते थे, क्योंकि एक गुस्से में इनका बिहेवियर बहुत ज्यादा वायलेंट हो जाता था। What is the masterpiece of Shelley? शैली का मास्टरपीस है Prometheus Unbound. Who was the most adverse critic of P.B. Shelley? He was T.S. Eliot. Shelley said, I have dipped my pen in consuming fire for his destroyers. His referred to. यहाँ पे ये जो वर्ड आया है ना, his, ये रेफर करता है जॉन कीट्स को. जॉन कीट्स was a very good friend of P.B. Shelley, and after his death he stated these words, whose poetry is considered as fabric of vision. P.B. Shelley. The poem Ode to the West Wind has been written in Ode to the West Wind has been written in Tarzanima. Tarzanima में लिखा है पोइट ने इसे, and it was published in 1820. 1820 में पब्लिश हुई थी. Ode to the West Wind काफी पॉपुलर है. इसे इन्होंने कास्काइन वुड था फ्लोरेंस में, क्योंकि इटली में इन्होंने काफी टाइम अपना स्पेंड किया है. ये इन्होंने इटली में ही लिखी थी. कास्काइन वुड्स में इन्होंने वहां पे उस वुड से इंस्पायर होकर ओड टू द वेस्ट विंड उन्होंने ये पोएम लिखी है, कास्काइन वुड्स नियर फ्लोरेंस. The one remains, the many change and pass appear in. This line appears in Adonis. This poem of Shelley is an unfinished poem. Hazlitt described it as new and terrific dance of death. It's the triumph of life. The line I am daughter of earth and water appears in. This line appears in the poem The Cloud. Adonis is a tragedy over the death of the poet John Keats. Make me thy lyre even as the forest is. These lines appear in. These lines appear in Ode to the West Wind. Life may change, but it may fly not. Hope may vanish, but can die not. These lines are from Hellas. Prometheus Unbound is a lyrical drama, and it is in 4 acts. There are 4 acts in this drama, and it was first published in 1820. Because my father honors the demand, my father's death. These lines are from the Cenci. The most gentle, the most amiable, and the least worldly minded person I ever met. Whose words are these about whom? These words are of Byron about P.B. Shelley. To suffer woes which hope thinks infinite is written by. This line has been written by P.B. Shelley. It is the best lyrical drama that shows Shelley's evolutionary enthusiasm best. Which one? Which drama? It's Prometheus Unbound. Teach me half the gladness that thy brain must know, such harmonious madness from my lips would flow. These lines are from To the Skylark. Oedipus Tyrannus has 2 acts. This is a prose work of P.B. Shelley. Oedipus Tyrannus, it has 2 acts. What are the 2 objects humans are compared with in Mutability? Mutability is a poem by P.B. Shelley, and in it humans are compared with clouds and lyres. It was published in 1816. What is the poet's question in the poem Hymn to Intellectual Beauty? It's have I not kept the vow? Shelley's poem Mount Blanc, lines written in the Vale of Chamonix, often considered as answer to. It is considered as answer to Tintern Abbey by William Wordsworth. P.B. Shelley's Julian and Medlow is a conversation between Julian and Count Medlow. Who do these 2 characters represent? These 2 characters represent Shelley and Byron. Julian represents Shelley and Medlow represent Byron. और ये जो पोइम है ये पीबी शेली और बायरन की एक बोट टूर से इंस्पायर्ड है. There are 117 lines in this poem. The Mask of Anarchy by Shelley is. देखिए मास्क जो है ये दोनों ही वर्ड्स जो है ये करेक्ट हैं. इनमें से कुछ भी आ सकता है एग्जाम में, तो इसलिए मैंने दोनों ही लिख दिए हैं यहाँ पे. The Mask of Anarchy by Shelley is. It's a poem of political protest written in response to Peterloo massacre. हु इज ओzymandias? ओzymandias कौन था इन रियल? तो ओzymandias जो था ये किंग रामसिस था, जिसे कि फेरो बोला जाता है इजिप्ट में। तो इजिप्ट का फेरो था जिसका कि नेम था किंग रामसिस सेकंड। Shelley wrote this poem after visiting a British museum where he saw a sculpture of King Ramses II. Which poem of P.B. Shelley was a satirical attack and criticism of the British government? It's The Devil's Walk, and this is a ballad. P.B. Shelley was born in 1792. Whom did Shelley dedicated his poem The Revolt of Islam? Revolt of Islam को पीबी शैली ने डेडिकेट किया है अपनी वाइफ मैरी शैली को. She was the second wife of the poet. And The Revolt of Islam, this is a poem in 12 cantos. 12 cantos में लिखी गई है ये poem. इसका जो ओरिजिनल टाइटल है that is Lone and Sidna. The original title of this poem is Lone and Sidna. ठीक है, लेकिन बाद में इसका टाइटल हो गया द रिवोल्ट ऑफ इस्लाम. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट इज रोजालिंड एंड हेलेन, अ मॉडर्न एक्लॉग विद अदर पोएम्स. रोजालिंड एंड हेलेन, दैट्स अ पोएटिक collection of P.B. Shelley and it was published in 1819. रोजालिंड एंड हेलेन एक पोएम भी है पीबी शैली की, लेकिन ये हम यहाँ पे पूरी बात कर रहे हैं रोजालिंड एंड हेलेन अ मॉडर्न एक्लॉग की. That's the name of a poetic collection. Next, which famous romantic poem begins with the line "Hail to thee, blithe spirit, but thou never wert"? This line has been taken from "To a Skylark." Shelley was expelled from the Oxford University due to the publication of. Shelley को ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से एक्सपेल कर दिया गया था द नेसेसिटी ऑफ एथीज्म के पब्लिकेशन की वजह से. ये जो नेसेसिटी ऑफ एथीज्म है, दिस इज एन ऐसे, ये एक ऐसे है पीबी शैली का जो कि एथीज्म पर बेस्ड है एंड इट वाज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम डेविड ह्यूम. डेविड ह्यूम के जो व्यूज हैं उनसे शैली काफी इंस्पायर्ड थे. उसके बाद उन्होंने ये ऐसे लिखा था नेसेसिटी ऑफ एथीज्म एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऐसे ही वाज एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक है, इसको फिल करना है. तो करेक्ट वर्ड्स होंगे विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग. इफ विंटर कम्स कैन स्प्रिंग बी फार बिहाइंड. दिस इज अ लाइन ऑफ और टू द वेस्ट विंड. What happened with P.B. Shelley on July 8, 1822 when he was returning from visiting his friend Lord Byron and Leigh Hunt? लॉर्ड बायरन और ली हंट से मिलने के बाद जब शैली लौट रहे थे तो उनके साथ क्या हुआ? His boat overturned in northwestern Italian coast and he was drowned. और ड्राउनिंग की वजह से उनकी डेथ हो गई. उनकी डेड बॉडी मिली थी आफ्टर 10 days. और उनकी डेड बॉडी की आइडेंटिफिकेशन हुई थी बिकॉज he had a poem of John Keats in his pocket. So उस पोएम की वजह से उनको आइडेंटिफाई किया गया कि ये जो बॉडी है ये पीबी शैली की बॉडी है. Who wrote Frankenstein? Frankenstein को लिखा है मैरी शैली ने. She was the wife of P.B. Shelley and to promote this work Frankenstein, P.B. Shelley ने इसके लिए रिव्यू भी लिखा था. And this Frankenstein जो है this is a gothic novel of Mary Shelley. We are all grief, our laws, our literature, our religion, our arts have their root in Greece. These lines appear in the preface of Hellas. Man is a boastful creature. This is theme of one of Shelley's work. This is the theme of Ozymandias. Shelley was alone the perfect singing god. His thoughts, words, deeds all sang together. Whose comment is this? This is a comment of Swinburne. How many cantos does the Revolt of Islam have? There are 12 cantos in this poem. How many parts does the Sensitive Plant have? Sensitive Plant is a poem of P.B. Shelley and it has 3 parts. From where did Shelley get the idea of writing the Prometheus and Bound? Prometheus and Bound को लिखने का आइडिया शैली को कहाँ से मिला था? He got the idea from a play by Aeschylus. Aeschylus का एक प्ले था जिससे उन्होंने इंस्पिरेशन ली Prometheus and Bound को लिखने की. I have dipped my pen in consuming fire for its destroyers. Here is Shelley talking about the editors who destroyed the reputation of Keats. Find out the name of the reviews. They are the Quarterly Magazine and Blackwood Magazine. Quarterly Review and Blackwood Magazine. The scenes of Oedipus Tyrannus are laid in. Oedipus Tyrannus ये जो पीवी शैली का वर्क है, इसकी जो scenes, जो setting है, वो है Thebes में. Thebes is a city, तो setting of this work is in Thebes. Shelley's To a Lady with a Guitar was inspired by one of Shakespeare's play. Which play is this? शैली की जो पोएम है टू अ लेडी विद अ गिटार, इट वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय शेक्सपियर्स टेम्पेस्ट. टेम्पेस्ट से इंस्पायर्ड है. इसकी जो ओपनिंग लाइन है वो है एरियल टू मिरांडा टेक दिस स्लेव ऑफ म्यूजिक. दैट्स द ओपनिंग लाइन ऑफ दिस पोएम अ लेडी विद अ गिटार. व्हाट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड शैली मोस्ट? शैली को सबसे ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किया था पॉलिटिकल जस्टिस ने. This is a book by William Godwin and Mary Shelley जो कि second wife हैं पीवी शैली की. She was the daughter of William Godwin. Shelley's Mask of Anarchy. Mask of Anarchy is a satire. Satire है ये. Which poem of P.B. Shelley is autobiographical in nature? Autobiographical है इनकी Alastor. With whom Shelley compared his romantic hero Prometheus? Prometheus को Shelley किसके साथ कंपेयर करते हैं? He compared Prometheus with Milton's Saturn. Saturn from Paradise Lost. Shelley, the writer of some infidel poetry, has been drowned. Now he knows whether there is God or no. Which newspaper of London printed the above lines? ये लाइंस लंदन के किस न्यूज़पेपर ने प्रिंट की थी आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ पीबी शैले? इट वाज अ कोर्टियर. और उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? बिकॉज ऑफ क्योंकि जो उन्होंने नेसेसिटी ऑफ एथीज्म जो एक ऐसे लिखा था एथीज्म के ऊपर, दैट्स व्हाई ये जो न्यूज़पेपर है कोर्टियर, इसने लाइन लिखी कि नाउ शैले नोज वेदर देयर इज गॉड और नो. Who wrote the poem The Witch of Atlas? The Witch of Atlas is a poem of P.B. Shelley. And this poem was written in 1820 and published हुई थी ये 1824 में. Which poem of Shelley is full of mystery and suspense? Mystery और suspense से full जो है उनकी poem है, that is The Witch of Atlas. Which year had been a year of happenings for Shelley? This year was a year when Alastor was published, Harriet died, and Shelley married Mary Godwin. It was 1816. 1816 में इनकी Alastor publish हुई. इनकी जो फर्स्ट वाइफ थी हैरियट, शी कमिटेड सुसाइड बाय ड्राउनिंग. और आफ्टर दैट शैली ने मैरी गॉडविन से सेकंड मैरिज की इन 1816. व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल टाइटल ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ इस्लाम? का ओरिजिनल टाइटल है लोन एंड सिद्ना. व्हाट इज हेलास? हेलास क्या है? इट्स अ वर्स ड्रामा ऑफ पीबी शैली. Pourest thy full heart in profuse strains of unpremeditated art. To which word are these lines addressed to by P.B. Shelley? These lines are addressed to Skylark. Rise like lions after slumber in unvanquishable number. These lines appear in The Mask of Anarchy. In 1822, which journal did Shelley publish along with Leigh Hunt and Lord Byron? 1822 में उन्होंने लॉर्ड बायरन और ली हंट के साथ एक जर्नल पब्लिश किया था, दैट वाज द लिबरल. Poetry is the record of the best and happiest moments of the happiest and best minds. Who said? P.B. Shelley. He lives, he wakes, its death is death, not he occur. It appeared in Adonis. Some critics call him ineffectual, yet along with Black is the nearest example of poet as a prophet. In life he suffered more than Black. He was P.B. Shelley. I fall upon the thrones of life, I bleed, and no change, no pause, no hope. टू लाइन्स है यहाँ पे, टू स्टेटमेंट्स है, दे बोथ आर डिफरेंट. I fall upon the thorns of life, I bleed. And the second one is no change, no pause, no hope, yet I endure are the lines of they are the line of Prometheus and Bound. Who is the writer of the Indian Serenade? P.B. Shelley. Indian Serenade was written first of all in the form of a song, and later it was published as a poem in 1882. What is Charles First? Charles First is a historical tragedy of P.B. Shelley. Which work of Plato was translated by P.B. Shelley? It was Symposium. How does Shelley in his Ode to West Wind compare himself to the wind? In Ode to the West Wind, poet compares himself as tameless, swift and proud with the wind. Men of England, wherefore plough for the lords who hay yellow. This line is from his poem Men of England. In which poem do the following line occur? Winter is come and gone, but grief returns with the revolving year. These lines appear in Shelley's Adonis. The first image that Shelley visualizes in the Ode to the West Wind is of an enchanter. He visualizes wind as an enchanter. Who wrote our sweetest songs are those that tell of our saddest thoughts? P.B. Shelley. And this line is from the poem To a Skylark. To a Skylark की काफी popular line है ये. Which of Shelley's poems has a story from Greek mythology? That's Prometheus Unbound. Who called Shelley an ineffectual angel? Matthew Arnold. Two performers of equal skill will produce unequal effects from a guitar and harp. Who said? These are the words of P.B. Shelley. A poet is a nightingale who sits in darkness and sings to cheer its own solitude with sweet sounds. Who said? P.B. Shelley. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? What is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is there is a silver lining behind every cloud. You see, that's mean कि हर बुरे समय के बाद अच्छा समय जरूर आता है. Never lose hope. That's the essence of this line, and this line is from the Ode to the West Wind. Who said about Shelley he was alone the perfect singing god? Swinburne. Poets are the unacknowledged legislators of the world is by P.B. Shelley. Where did Shelley settle and wrote his best poetry? In Pisa. Pisa is a city in Italy. To me that cup has been dealt in another measure is a line from the stanza written in Dejection near Naples. I have no hope, nor health, nor peace within, nor come around. This line appears in stanza written in Dejection near Naples. The Witch of Atlas is a poem by P.B. Shelley written in blank verse. Witch of Atlas ये poem है, ये blank verse में लिखी गई है. Who wrote Defense of Poetry? Defense of Poetry किसने लिखी है? Defense of Poetry लिखी है P.B. Shelley. In which of his work Shelley supports bigamy? In Prometheus Unbound. Fear not for the future, weep not for the past appears in the Revolt of Islam. Death is the veil which those who live call life. They sleep and it is lifted. These lines appear in Prometheus Unbound. The essay of Shelley is called one of the most advanced and sophisticated documents of political philosophy in the 19th century. It's a philosophical view of reform. Oh, lift me as a wave, a leaf, a cloud. I fall upon the thorns of life, I bleed. These lines appear in Ode to the West Wind. On whose grave are the following lines from Tempest inscribed? Nothing of him that doth fade, but doth suffer a sea change into something rich and strange. P.B. Shelley. Poetry is the expression of imagination. Who said? P.B. Shelley. Poetry is indeed something divine. It is at once the center and circumference of knowledge. Who said? P.B. Shelley. Who considers Defense of Poetry as the profoundest essay in the English language? Herbert Reed. The more we study, the more we discover our ignorance. Who said? P.B. Shelley. Poetry is that form which all spring and that which adorns all. Who said? P.B. Shelley. Shelley's defense of poetry shows the influence of Plato and Sidney's Apology. Poets are, poets are the mirrors of the gigantic shadows which futurity cast upon the present. Who said? P.B. Shelley. What was the first serious work of P.B. Shelley? It was Queen Mab. It was published in 1813. A god is living God and rules in scorn all ugly things but virtue. These lines appears in Queen Mab. Who was Shelley's first wife? First wife was Harriet Westbrook, and second wife was Mary Godwin. What was the name of Shelley's boat? Shelley की एक अपनी personal boat थी जिसका नाम था Don Juan. When he drowned in the sea, that time he was in the same boat. Who wrote Saint Irwin or Rosicrucian, a Romance? It is a work of P.B. Shelley. Saint Irwin, this is a gothic horror novel of Shelley. Which work of P.B. Shelley is a utopian allegory with extensive notes preaching atheism, free love, republicanism and vegetarianism? Queen Mab. P.B. Shelley जो थे वो एक स्ट्रिक्ट वेजिटेरियन थे और इस वर्क में उन्होंने इसको भी पोर्ट्रे किया है, वेजिटेरियनिज्म को. Which work of Shelley has been described as an aesthetic response to Coleridge's Hymn Before Sunrise in the Vale of Chamonix? It's Mont Blanc, lines written in the Vale of Chamonix. It is said कि ये जो P.B. Shelley का वर्क है Mont Blanc, lines written in the Vale of Chamonix, ये एक इन्होंने लिखा था in response of Coleridge's Hymn Before Sunrise in the Vale of Chamonix. Who wrote The Assassins, a Fragment of a Romance? This is a work of P.B. Shelley. This is a prose work of P.B. Shelley. Where did Shelley settle and wrote his best poetry? In Pisa, Italy. Life, like a dome of many-colored glass, stains the white radiance of eternity. The above lines occur in Adonis. Who wrote Wolfstein or The Mysterious Bandit? P.B. Shelley. What is Hellas? Hellas is a verse drama of P.B. Shelley. Whom does Shelley address as the wild spirit? Wild spirit Shelley ने बोला है West Wind को in the Ode to the West Wind. Who wrote The Necessity of Atheism? P.B. Shelley. The poet is a semi-barbarian in a civilized community. Who said? Thomas Love Peacock. Book 4 Ages of Poetry. What does the West Wind seem to symbolize for Shelley? The ability to affect widespread change. Who describes Shelley as a superb craftsman, a lyric poet without rival, and surely one of the most advanced sceptical intellects ever to write a poem? Harold Bloom. Who wrote The Wandering Jew? Wandering Jew is a work of P.B. Shelley and it is a verse monodrama. At Oxford, Shelley met a fellow student who became his closest friend. He was Thomas Jefferson Hogg. If you like this video and want to watch more videos about English literature, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.